Hello, you're welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to use Zoom like a pro using your smartphone, whether you're hosting a live section yourself or you're joining a meeting. The first thing you do is to go to your Play Store. Once you're on your Google Play Store, you can now type on the search bar for Zoom app. Just click the search button and it brings you here. Right here, mine is showing open, but if you're not having the Zoom app yet in your smartphone, it's going to be showing install. So since mine is open already, I go ahead and tap on it. Open. So it brings you here once you tap on your Zoom app. Okay, so we have options for new meeting. Probably you want to have an instant meeting, so you can just go ahead and click on start a meeting. Right, so with this you can actually start a meeting yourself and use the link to invite as many as are online at that moment. Okay, so it's still connected. All right, so here I'm going to join the audio by clicking on Wi-Fi or cellular data. If you observe here, my video is off, so because I don't want my face showing, right? So I tap here to invite my contacts. Once you tap on that prompt there, okay, you're going to come to this page and you have to click the invite button at your bottom left corner, right? So you can decide to invite them via mail, text messages, messenger, or you might decide to also copy I think I prefer this. You copy the invite link and then you send. Coming down here, you can click here to check the number of participants. You can see I'm the only one here, but if we have as many participants as are online, you'll be able to see them. So you're the host because you're the one that started the meeting, right? All right, so this is a chat box. You can come here and communicate to everyone or ask questions depending on the stage of the meeting. You can just, okay, for example, hi everyone, here's the, okay, I want to say please share the meeting link. Please share the meeting. Share the link below to others. All right, so here's the link I copied previously. That's it. So from here they can actually get the link, and it's a communication center, right? Okay, so that's that. You can also do some other things, like you can share your screen, you can share a photo, a document, a link, or whatever. You can also tap on the more button and then meeting settings, all right, to make some adjustments depending on what you want. Okay, so this is how it is when you're hosting a meeting, right? An instant Zoom meeting. Once I'm done with the meeting, I click on end. Now if you leave the meeting, if you click leave the meeting, you are going to leave others behind in the meeting and they'll be wondering what's going on, right? So the important thing to do here is end the meeting for all. That way everybody, it goes off, right? Another way to make use of the Zoom app is to join meetings. For example, if you're in a group, okay, where there are a series of trainings that are being organized, and then there's a meeting link that's being sent out. Every meeting link has the meeting ID and passcode, so you can just come here. If you have the meeting ID, kindly copy it and then type here. So supposing this is my meeting link, once I'm done, I click join and that's it. I may decide to turn on my video if I like, or turn it off. Right now it is off. So that's another thing you need to know about joining meetings. Sometimes you may be asked to schedule a meeting. Probably your CEO is a busy person, or your employer, or whoever you want to have the meeting with, probably they're very busy, and maybe chances are that they could even forget to schedule the meeting you guys are meant to have. So in that case, what do? You schedule a meeting by clicking on schedule button. Now once you click on that, what's the title of the meeting going to be? You're going to, okay, let's assume that the title of this meeting is a virtual training on graphics, okay, graphic design. Okay, so we're just assuming, you may have any other thing. So now the date, you come here, you fix the date. Supposing that we are supposing now, right now, that the date of the meeting is February 1st. Okay, so this is the start date. And then what about the time? So depending on your time zone, or you have to, before you set the time, you have to take note of the country or the region where this person is located, so that your time, you're not going to schedule a meeting where you are awake during the daytime and the other person is asleep, right, at night. So it's going to be disturbing. So this is, you set your time here, and then this is the end time, like when the meeting is coming to an end. Okay, normally Zoom allows meetings to hold as long as 40 minutes, after which you may be asked to pay up for extra time or subscribe to a paid plan. Okay, so this is a year, right? Okay, so take note of this time zone as well. If this person is located probably in London, I'll have to, good, here is London. Make sure that you indicate their time zone so that it will give you the exact time. It will give the person the exact time, okay? Especially if you're in different time zones. Now here you can decide to enable the waiting room so that you can admit people yourself to avoid intruders or uninvited guests from joining. Here you can decide to put on your video, or you turn it off like I just did. So I want my video to be off, so I put it off, right? If you want to see the faces of your participants, you can decide to turn this on. Okay, now you can decide to add it to your calendar for a reminder purpose, or you can decide to turn it off. I like leaving mine on so that I can be notified in any case I'm busy. Alright, so once I'm done with all these settings, the next thing I do is to click done. Once I'm done, it schedules it automatically, and this is it here, a virtual training on graphic design. So alright, this is it. If you found this video useful, please like, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on your notifications button. See you in the next video.